A very good morning everyone, and welcome to another daily market outlook. In today's market outlook, we're going to be discussing the major dollar pairs and seeing if there are any interesting opportunities. So my apologies that there wasn't a video yesterday. I was with a vehicle problem at the garage, so yeah, hence why there wasn't a video. But nevertheless, let's dive into today's video and see what is going on. Starting off with the dollar index. The dollar index is currently rejecting the highs over here, pretty much just an area of resistance, no real area of supply, I would say. At the moment, we can see that the internal structure is looking pretty bullish in my opinion, and I am expecting some kind of a pullback in towards this range over here before seeing further upside continuation and taking out this high. That's currently what I'm waiting for and what I want to see from the dollar index. For the rest, nothing much has changed, still in this overall range, but for now I'm just following this internal order flow, and I do see that we are heading in towards this area of consolidation where I do expect the market to slow down a bit and potentially see a reversal. So yeah, that is it from the dollar index. Let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar currently is rejecting this area of weekly and daily supply. If we dive in towards the 4-hour, we can see that corrective ascending price action. And if you know from my old videos, these ascending corrections always, in my opinion, look pretty bearish. So at the moment, what am I waiting for? Well, we can clearly see that this 1-hour market structure internally has now flipped bearish. So for now, I am looking for a potential short once we come back in towards this pretty much buy before the big sell-off. So once we come into there, I will be looking for a potential short once again in line with the overall daily and weekly trend. So yeah, that is that from Aussie dollar. Let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar. So euro dollar currently has not been moving very interesting, as we can clearly see. And looking at this 1 hour at the moment, I would say that this is your current swing high, this is your current swing low, and this is your current area of supply. So I am interested in seeing euro dollar sell off today, see a drop after taking out kind of this liquidity highs, all these highs that you have over here, which kind of failed to pop in to this body to wick supply zone. So I am interested in looking for potential for the downside from euro dollar. But for the rest, we can clearly see that it's kind of corrective descending price action. The markets have not been ideal on these dollar pairs, but that is pretty much just what I am looking out for. So that said, let's go to pound dollar. So pound dollar broke this low over here, which means that pound dollar is now bearish on the 4-hour in line with the daily trend as well. So what are we currently looking for? Well, we're looking for a nice pullback. So once we see that pullback in towards our area of interest, I will be looking for a short once again. And what is a good area of interest? Well, these buy to sell places. So over here, for instance, or over, I would say, here, these top 2 candles is what I'm going to be looking for a potential short. I really like this area of supply. Why is that? Well, we took out this clear uptrend, and in addition to that, we have some nice liquidity being built up over here. So I would preferably see a stronger push up from pound dollar before looking for that major sell-off from this pair. So that said, let's go to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi dollar currently made a retracement and is reacting bullish to this sell before the big buy, pretty much as I exactly explained in yesterday's video. For now, not much for the rest to be said. I'm not very interested in this overall pair. What I can say is that though we don't have any liquidation in this move up, so it could be so that today we're going to see another sell-off from Kiwi dollar and move down lower to kind of take out this liquidity of this area of liquidity right below this area of consolidation. So just keep that in mind. But if you look at the 15-minute, excuse me about that, and if we look at the 15-minute, what you'll preferably want to see at this point in time is a 50-minute bullish trend switch. So the current problem with the 15-minute is, let's say this is your swing high, this is your swing low, we're still bearish, so you still want to be looking for shorts. So that's going to change once we see close below this low, which then means that this, for instance, would be your swing high, and then it's a lot easier to look for instance, a pullback play, or for, of course, a continuation of the overall 4-hour trend. That would give more confirmation when trading this and when looking for a potential long from this 4-hour area of demand. So yeah, that is it from Kiwi dollar. Let's head over to our last pair, which is gold. And gold. So gold has not been doing much. As we can see, going in towards the daily, I am still waiting for these lower levels of price on the daily before looking for any potential longs. So yeah, that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. Do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel because we have a lot of interesting videos coming up. So stay tuned. I am going to show you guys a little bit more of my lifestyle as well. So we're going to really diversify this channel in the near future. Just give me some more time and stay tuned. So thanks for that and see you soon.